I'm a royal. Get off me. Cinnamon, little darling. How dare you hurt her? You're hurting every man's heart. I'm gonna give you a warning. You hurt my man, that means you just talked to Satan. Talk to the sand god. The sand god? Who's the sand god? What, you want to come back for more? Sand god is somebody you don't want to talk about. Indeed.